Deepika Padukone's recent exit from Sandeep Reddy Vanga's much-anticipated film Spirit, starring Prabhas, has generated a lot of buzz in the industry. The actress stepped away from the project after the director refused to accommodate her request for a shorter, 8-hour workday. Deepika, who recently embraced motherhood, wanted more time to spend with her newborn baby and felt that the intense work hours would affect her family life. Following her exit, the filmmaker announced Tripti Dimri as her replacement, sharing the news on social media. While the change in cast may have surprised many, it also sparked a much-needed conversation about work-life balance in the film industry. As the news of Deepika's departure spread, several celebrities stepped forward to support her decision and weigh in on the ongoing debate about working hours in the film industry. Actor Saundarya Sharma shared her perspective in a recent interview, stating, "I think to each their own. Of course, I'm nobody to speak for anybody, but in my capacity, I can say when you're working with certain people, you know your bandwidth. It's about mutual understanding. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, then it doesn't." Sharma emphasized that a mutual understanding between actors and filmmakers is essential for creating a healthy working environment. Neha Dhupia also expressed her support for Deepika on Instagram, writing, "For work-life balance to go beyond conversations, new moms need practical support and consideration. Instead, we often get shamed or sidelined. As a working mom, I support Deepika Padukone's reasonable request for fair and considerate working hours." Her message resonated with many, highlighting the challenges that working mothers face in maintaining a balance between their personal and professional lives. Bollywood veteran Ajay Devgan also came out in support of Deepika, commenting on the situation. He said, "It's not that it's not going down well with people. Most of the honest filmmakers will not have problems with it. Being a mother and working for 8 hours, most people have started working 8-9-hour shifts." Devgan's words echoed the sentiment that a more humane approach to work schedules is necessary, particularly for parents. Filmmaker Mani Ratnam also offered his support, calling Deepika's request a rightful demand. He said, "I'm glad she's in a position to ask for it. I think as a filmmaker, you will take that into consideration when you cast. It is not an unreasonable thing to ask, but an absolute necessity." Ratnam's statement emphasized the importance of considering the personal circumstances of actors when crafting work schedules, especially when it comes to their family life. Actor Barun Sobti also weighed in, expressing his thoughts on working hours in the film industry. He stated, "I won't mind fewer working hours. Producers nowadays want actors to work for 12 hours and travel for 2 hours, which gets hectic. I'd like to make everyone's life simpler if I become a producer someday." Sobti highlighted the exhaustion that comes with long working hours, particularly for actors who have to travel extensively, and expressed his desire to improve conditions if given the opportunity. The conversation sparked by Deepika Padukone's exit from Spirit has shed light on the challenges of balancing work and family life, especially for working mothers. As the film industry slowly evolves, it's clear that more flexibility and understanding in work schedules are needed to accommodate the personal lives of actors without compromising their professional responsibilities. Deepika's stance has encouraged many others in the industry to speak up about the need for change, and it's clear that these conversations will continue to shape the future of the entertainment world. Meanwhile, Deepika is set to star in at least highly anticipated film with Allu Arjun, tentatively titled A22XA6, which is expected to be a major highlight in her career.